Let's go back to the childhood with me. Stay tuned.
To Madhurima's kitchen. So today I'm live after a long time, not after a long time, actually after a week almost. So why I'm live today? I'm going to prepare a sandwich. What is the new thing about a sandwich? Everybody can make sandwich. So when we were kids, we used to we used to watch Cartoon Network, and there was something like Flintstone. I really enjoyed that Flintstone, and there was a sandwich. Recently I was going through the net and I have found something, and I just prepared Flintstone sandwich. It was really very yummy and easy. But before that, I'm going to share something. Let me show you something. Just a moment. Can you see this? This is a birthday candle. This is not a cake. This is a birthday cake candle basically. So you know what, you can always order me. This is actually for a birthday. It is a replica of the cake. So you can always order me this kind of candle. It is customized. And one more thing, I get so many calls and message in Maddy and of course in Madhurima's kitchen, because Maddy is the sister concern of Madhurima's kitchen, where I prepare this kind of cute candle, soap, everything. So I have got I'm getting a message from so many people. They're asking me, apni wax bikri karen, do you sell wax, and do you have wax, do you have mold? And most of the time they're showing me some picture of a candle and then say, can you make it? Listen, see, when you are going to this is on Maddy, this is online shop. So when you are going for online purchase in different platform, do you ask that seller that are you selling wax, or do you send the message that can you prepare this replica? It is not possible. This is not right, because suppose I have my food business, Madhurima's kitchen, so that does not mean I am selling raw chicken, raw meat, spices. No, not at all. So similarly, this is my business, another business, and I am a creative person. So I just prepare this kind of candle. I make this kind of candle and then I sell it. So you have to understand that you cannot get the raw material from me or the mold. By the way, this is not a mold one. I have to do it properly. So this is not a mold. So handcrafted. So I have to do the frosting, everything. The same way I do the cake baking, and also same way I am doing that. So in future, please keep in mind that you are going to a restaurant and you are not asking for the recipe, right? That this is the job of a chef. So if you're asking for a recipe for everything, then it's not like that you can prepare the recipe. It is not possible. So if you're asking for every recipe, similarly, if you're asking, even I'm getting message, please teach the candle, teach us candle. I am not the right person to teach you, because I learned by my own, and since 2003, not 13, I am preparing candles. So slowly I tried this, and then I can do the creative thing. So it is not possible. It's not a rocket science that I can tell you this is this and you can make. It's nothing like that. So you can always buy candle from me, and right now I'm going to share the recipe, and there will be lots of tricks I will and hacks definitely I will share with you. So first of all, I have to flip the camera. That is the hardest part for me. So one is done and another. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So that is the candle basically. It looks good, isn't it? So it's visible. Last time what happened, I did a live from Instagram and Facebook page both, but the Instagram live is automatically deleted. I don't know why. So if you're looking for the live one, kindly go through my Facebook page, Madhurima's kitchen, or else you can wait and you can get it in YouTube, Madhurima's kitchen. So I am going to prepare the recipe. I have 2 breads visible. I think this is visible right now. Yeah. So I have 2 bread, and first thing first, in YouTube description box definitely you will get the ingredients. So I have this Viva mayonnaise. So I'm using the Viva veg mayonnaise. Here we don't need much ingredient for that, so I will show you all the ingredient over here. And now I have to spread it evenly. So I have a spoon and evenly spread it. Don't use butter. In this recipe you don't need butter. It won't taste good. I tried it. So it's tried and tasted. And then what I have, let me show you. So I have some lettuce. This is already clean, washed and cleaned. So lettuce will be here. And next I am going to use chicken ham, because so this is Prasuma chicken ham I am using. If you want you can use the pork one, but I prefer the chicken one because my parents, they don't eat pork, and even I don't also. So it's summertime, chicken ham is better. So let me show you how it will look like. So this is the raw one. It will look like this, and backside you will get the instruction. You don't have to use oil for this. Without oil you can heat it. Don't use the cold one. So I just heat it, flip both side, heat a medium pan, or and then heat it both side, and then comes the cheese. For cheese I am using the Milky Mist cheese slice, a normal cheese slice. This recipe is really very yummy. And now carefully, this is the trickiest part for me because it's summer. I hope it won't turn. I want it intact. So Inshallah, it's intact. I'm very happy. And now comes the tomato. So I'm placing the tomato. By the way, these are the tomato from my kitchen garden. This year I just have this tomato. And the best part, let me show you. This is the cucumber. You are thinking that it is dunked in water. It's not normal water. So instead of gherkin, I'm using this one because that is expensive and cucumber is not that expensive. So what I did, this cucumber, I just sliced it like this, skin on. You can see the skin are yellowish. It was green. It is yellowish because I pour it half cup water, 1/3 cup of vinegar, salt, normal salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I soak it in this water and I keep it in freezer at least for 5 to 6 hours, basically overnight. So it will have a tangy, sweet and salty flavor. So very similar to gherkin, but it won't cost you much. So I'll place it. This is going to be a yummy recipe. And the last one. And then it's done. So this is the easiest way to prepare this Flintstone sandwich, because in Flintstone they don't have much ingredient. So without much ingredient they're preparing sandwich and all. And now it's time to serve. I'm not serving it in here, but in something else, something rustic. So here you go. This is going to be your Flintstone sandwich. Isn't it very cute? So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and showing me lots of love. And as I said, you can see this kind of candle you can order. It is going to a place very soon where I will reveal it, not right now. It's time to talk to me. So I'm done with this recipe. It's the very easiest one, and I hope everybody will enjoy this recipe. And please don't ask me for something else. Something else means that, do you sell wax? Do you sell mold? So this is done. This Flintstone sandwich is done, and I'm going to enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try this recipe at home, and it's really yummy.